Hey guys, what is happening? It's been a while since I recorded a video, but I wanted to come back and I wanted to start with a brand new segment that I want to call Color Theory 40K. One of the most prolific issues I hear and see in the new hobbyist community is, what color should I paint my army? And if you're not going with one of the standard, one of the pre-built Games Workshop certified color schemes, it can be a little bit intimidating. It really doesn't have to be, because well, I might be new to the Warhammer hobby. I am a visual artist with about 20 years plus of experience, and I know a thing or two about colors. When you're picking a color scheme for your army, it's a little bit of a solved problem. You don't have to think too hard. People have thought about it before you. Much smarter people than both you or I. This trick that I'm about to show you is maybe the single easiest way to pick a color scheme for your army, because it takes almost no skill at all. You can choose whatever color you want and it's gonna look great. No matter what you do, as long as you stick to a couple of very easy to follow rules. This color scheme consists of just three things: white, black, and literally any color you want. Those are the only three colors that you need to make a great looking army. Don't believe me? Here are some of the Games Workshop official armies that follow this color scheme. We have the Black Templars, Death Watch, Iron Hands, Legion of the Damned, Raven Guard, Blood Angels, Dark Angels, Sides of the Emperor, Absolvers, Wolf Spears, various Tauseps, Craftworld Oathway, High Fleet Leviathan, every Sisters of Battle Order, Metallica, Mars, Styges 8, a billion other successor chapters. Need I go on? No, I don't. There's so many that use this color scheme, and the reason they use it is it looks fantastic. My own army, Forge World Mydeth, uses this color scheme because it's so easy, and because I didn't want to think about it too much, and it looks incredible. It's one of my personal favorite color schemes of all time. With those colors in mind, black, white, and literally any color of your choosing, all you need to think about is one color. Is it your favorite color? Maybe it's just color you like on that day. It really doesn't matter. It could be a dark color, it could be a light color, it could be literally any color in the rainbow at all of your choosing, and it's gonna look good on a tabletop. Think about everything that's ever been in black and white. Black and white is a classic color scheme in of itself. Add an accent color in there. So why does it work? Contrast. Especially on a tabletop setting where you have dudes who are 28 millimeters tall. That's not a lot of space. You need high amounts of contrast, and black and white already solve that problem for you. They have contrast built into this color scheme. Another thing to think about is you don't want an even mix of your colors. That is a little bit of a word of warning, and it's something that I'll go to further in other episodes of Color Theory 40K. Because if you have even portions of all your colors, nothing dominates, and instead of a unified theme, things look a little bit in disarray and a little bit out of order. I would recommend personally about, not a strict number mind you, but by my estimate, a 70-20-10 split between your main color, your secondary color, and your accent color. Your accent color could be your main color. It doesn't have to be white or black. If you look at my examples of Blood Angels and Dark Angels, they use red and green respectively as their main colors and use white and black as accents. But you do need that sort of one dominant color in your range to make an effective color scheme for your army. Whether that be white, like what I chose for Forge World Mydeth, whether it be black, like a very popular choice for many of the sort of Games Workshop certified color schemes, or whether that be your actual choice color itself. If you choose one of those to be your dominant one, you'll end up with something strong in the color scheme department. So you have the power of ease, the power of contrast, and the power of color dominance working at your disposal, which are really the three different things that you need to have a powerful, pleasant to look at, and beautiful color scheme on a tabletop surface. But say you don't want just one color, you want a couple colors, you want 2 colors, 3 colors, 4 colors more. In further videos, we'll explore other types of color schemes, how you might leverage them in your army, and what you can do, some tips and tricks to make those look even better than they ever have before, as well as looking at examples of existing armies with those color schemes and how you can take your painting and your really army color scheme decision making to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, of course, be sure to leave a comment saying so, maybe a like. What color scheme is your army? I want to hear about it. Let me know. Is it a white, black, X color scheme, or is it something completely different? Would love to hear. And if you want to see more color theory, army color scheme videos, be sure to subscribe so you never miss a single one. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.